Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the 2-beat drop spin, which looks like this. So I think a good trick that would be helpful to know as a precursor to this one is going to be the basic drop spin, which is this one. I think it just helps you get a good understanding of the use of gravity and hand placement to create that continuous spin. But we're going to be learning the 2-beat drop spin today. So we're going to break this down into a few different steps. The first one is going to be a penguin catch. So you're going to start with the star in your dominant hand, swing it from the outside in, and then when we're going to catch it, we're going to catch the bottom with our palm facing out and our thumb facing down around 6 or 7 o'clock. So we're just gonna be doing this first. The next part of this trick is going to be letting the Flowstar go all the way around. So this is going to be where you're gonna feel the gravity drop down and we'll stop on the other side. So we're gonna do a penguin catch and end right there. And practice that a couple times, get the feel. This is the way my palm is facing at the end. It's a little bit awkward, but just trust the process because after a certain point, you'll be using more of the gravity and momentum rather than like your wrist movements. So once again, we're gonna do a little toss, penguin catch, end right there. And the final step of this one is going to be once that weight drops down, you're going to time it so that it's going to be coming up on the other side. So we're going to be doing the little toss from the outside in, penguin catch all the way down, and then give it a little toss. So outside, all the way around with a little toss. And the final part of this trick is just going to keep it in a continuous motion. So once it's up, you're going to replace your hand to do that penguin catch and do it all over again. The 2-beat drop spin is a really good trick to know. You can incorporate different parts of your body. For example, you can incorporate your legs. You can incorporate around your head. So with that one, you're going to be doing step into it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I'm Arianne. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe for more, and we will see you next week.